66, Madam Speaker, the President indicated that government have constructed 40 police houses
Honorable
in
members, honorable members.
Madam Speaker, if you go to Machinga today...
Honorable member for Machinga, may you resume your seat? Honorable members, let me speak. If you want to rise on a point of order, use the point of order button. If you don't know how to do it, let me know so that I can send the technical people to teach you how to use it. What do you want me to do? Because the honorable leader, the deputy leader here is good. Did you listen to what the honorable deputy leader said? Did you listen to her? Did you listen to what she said? You know how to pose a point of order, but the way she raised it, there's nothing for me to rule on. So, Machinga, may you continue.
On page 66, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the President indicated that they have constructed 40 police houses. Madam Speaker, if you go to Machinga today, and if you go to Chilima to be specific, you will only found foundation for 9 houses at the Chilima police station.
Order. Kwavuta Central, I'm rising. You have to resume your seat. I am rising. You have to resume your seat.
Second Deputy Speaker, on page 66 of the statement, the President indicated to the nation to say that government has constructed 40 police houses in Machinga. Madam Speaker, there is no such 40 police houses in Machinga. And with the people of Machinga, we are demanding that because...
Machinga East. I said you should resume your seat. You are not supposed to continue. Honorable members, when the deputy leader rose, she guided how the honorable member should go with her contribution. It was clear. You heard her, it was just a guidance. So what did you expect me to do? And the guidance was clear. No. Sometimes the way you pose your point of order, you leave me with nothing to rule on. You leave me with nothing to rule on. So what should I say? So what should I do? It was guidance, and it was good. And we got no. As leaders of the house. Honorable Deputy Leader, you know what? You should not make me to guess what to do. No. She gave guidance, and I have no problem with that. She gave guidance, that's all. Should I rule? You have the floor, Deputy Leader. Deputy Leader, you have the floor.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, is it in order for a member of this House, and this time around it is Machinga East, to demean the office of the State President? What the honorable member said first, she demeaned the SONA. She says no, she's going to call it a statement, and then she made this statement saying the president is equal to the chairman of Machinga Council. Second Deputy Speaker,
Honorable Member for Chorotava. Honorable Member for Chorotava, resume your seat. Resume your seat, Honorable.
Second Deputy Speaker, our standing orders are very, very clear on reflecting on the presidency. They are very, very clear on how members should reflect on the presidency. So is it in order for the honorable member to reflect on the presidency? I submit.
Thank you very much, Honorable Deputy Leader. Honorable Member, I have to rule on that. Honorable Leader of UDF, resume your seat. Thank you very much. Indeed, Honorable Members, it is very, very bad for us to rise and then start demeaning the president. He is the president, and he is the president of all the Malawians, including myself, the opposition, the ruling party, and everyone in this country. Therefore, we have to respect that seat. It's not personal, but we have to respect the seats. Thank you very much. Honorable members. Thank you. Honorable members, we have been here for several years. We know this is just guidance. Guidance, I cannot rule on guidance. No. What the Honorable Deputy Leader said at first when I granted her a chance, it was guidance. This time around, it was a point of order. That's why I have ruled on it. Therefore, this matter is closed. Thank you very much. Honorable members, let me say this. When someone is holding the floor and then you make noise, it gives me problems because it's hard for me to understand or to listen to what the honorable member holding the floor is saying. As a result, when you rise on a point of order, it will be hard for me to rule on it because I've not heard what the honorable member is saying because of the noise. So it is bad. When I say, can you keep quiet? You have to do that. Honorable members, in your contribution, the honorable member for wait, I'm speaking. May you all resume your seats and then you rise when I'm done. Honorable member, in your contribution, you said you referred the SONA, which was presented by the president. You referred it to the chair of the council's presentation or whatsoever. That's demeaning the president. May you withdraw that statement, please.
Second Deputy Speaker, I did not say that it is, I compared that it is not different from what the chairperson of Machinga District Council reports when the council is meeting. That's what I said.
member for Machinga East, indeed, the comparison is what we are talking about. You cannot compare the SONA or any presentation by the president with someone else. That's demeaning, honorable member for Machinga East. May you just withdraw that so that you can continue with your presentation.
Madam, if it pleases you,
May you ask for the, you have the floor already.
Yeah.
Just withdraw that part and then you continue.
I'm saying, Madam, if it pleases you, I do withdraw.
Thank you.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the President indicated that 40 police houses have been constructed in Machinga. And if you go to Machinga today, Madam...
Honorable members, we had 2 interruptions on her contribution. May you come after her, please. I know it's a point of order, may you come after her. Yes, you are leaders. No, at this point in time, I can't even allow the leader to interrupt her. No, but the thing is, we have interrupted her twice by the leader of by the deputy leader. Then I cannot continue interrupting her. Let her finish, then you come in. Please, I know you are leaders and I respect you. Thank you. Honorable member for Machinga East, we have interrupted you for so many times. I give you 9 minutes to finish your contribution.
Thank you so much, Madam. Madam, I stopped at a point where I was informing this House, as well as the nation, that the President indicated that the government has constructed 40 police houses in Machinga. If you go to Machinga today, Madam, what I know is only foundations of 9 houses at Inselema Police. Apart from that, there is no any other foundation the whole of Machinga. So to me, Madam, it is unfair to say that we do have houses in Machinga constructed by this administration while the houses are not there. I think when we talk of development, Madam, we are using taxpayers' money. We are not using MCP headquarters' money. We are using taxpayers' money where the people of Machinga, they are contributing to these taxes. So, to me, Madam, I feel that they have to...
Honorable Minister of Lands, I said we have interrupted her already twice. I cannot continue doing that.
Let them listen, Madam. They have to learn to listen when members are contributing. So I would want to inform them that they are using taxpayers' money. We are not using personal money here. We demand for those houses in Machinga. Otherwise, we together as the people of Machinga, we might think otherwise. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, the other issue I would want to raise, Madam, the President indicated that this administration has constructed or they are extending Intaja Health Center into a rural community hospital. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, I was there when the Minister of Health was there as well. Even when the President visited this place, it was press corporation doing that. They have only constructed 2 infrastructures, and the press corporation people, they were informing the President what they have done. So with the President speaking in this House without recognizing the gesture by the press corporation, I feel that is not fair. So the people of Machinga, we do appreciate what press corporation has done by way of supporting us with those structures to extend Ntaja Health Center. Madam Speaker, on page 71, the President said, and I quote, "So to the registered 663,000 voters of Mangochi and Machinga, I say this, do not give up the fight. Let us stay on course until we cross over into season of harvest." Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the season of harvest were there for 5 years, and the President have failed to assist the people of Machinga with Nsana Manayuchi Road. The season of harvest was there for 5 years for the President. They have failed to assist the people of Machinga with the road from Muntaja, Chikweo, as well as Ngokwe Road. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, the President is saying the 663,000 people of Mangochi and Machinga. Remember, Madam, it was this government who informed the Malawians that they are going to construct an airport in Mangochi. Do we have an airport now? Madam Second Deputy Speaker, it was this government who informed the nation that they would want to turn Mangochi as a city. Do we have a city now in Mangochi? Do we have a 5-star hotel in Mangochi? Madam Second Speaker, they indicated that they would want to make Mangochi a tourist hub. Do we have that as we speak? So why the President is asking for the 663,000 votes for Machinga and Mangochi to vote for him? The President is owing a lot to the people of Mangochi as well as to the people of Machinga. So, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the President is asking the people of Mangochi who are suffering today, they are failing even to eat, to vote for him. Yet he was voted into power and he just let the people starve. People have been starving, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, as we speak. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the President in the SONA agreed with the late Vice President's wife, Mary Chilima, that the President does not even understand how the issue of the plane crash happened. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, as the people of Machinga East constituency, I would want to agree with
Honorable
the President.
Deputy Leader, I even told other leaders this side that we should allow the honorable member to finish and then we'll give them a floor. Honorable.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker,
Honorable members, please.
That even the people of Machinga East constituency
Deputy Leader, wait for her to finish,
the
you will
whole
speak.
issue of the plane crash. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, maybe the Minister of Health is standing because she was one of the ministers.
Honorable member, just to stick to your presentation. Just to stick to your presentation.
My presentation is to do with the plane crash. I do agree with the President, and I do recall, I would want to say that even the people of Machinga East, they are not satisfied, as the President indicated that he is also having questions like the way the late Vice President's wife is having questions. In the SONA, it is in the SONA, Madam. So I would want to inform the nation that, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, during that time, 4 ministers came, and they are here in this house. They came, they informed that the families, they are at liberty to get a medical personnel to do the autopsy for their relatives. Madam, I was there. And I was the one, Madam, who organized them to meet the family. Madam, we as a family, we opted to get Zamalala, one of the medical pathologists in Malawi, to do the post-mortem, just to be refused by this minister, by this government. And the inquiry, Madam, it is saying that Zamalala.
Honorable members, 1 minute to go. Conclude your presentation.
In concluding, Madam, we did not hire the pathologist as an observer. We did not hire a pathologist as an observer. We hired him to do the
postmortem. Because you are making noise. What do you want me to do? You are making noise. I'm unable to hear her.
Denied him. This administration denied the pathologist to do the autopsy for the reasons well known to themselves. Madam, I do cry when when I see them
those
defending
remarks-
their positions.
With these
With
remarks,
these few remarks, Madam, I submit.
thank you very much. Honorable Deputy Leader, I give you the floor. No, wait, you will come after her. You will come after her, yes. You will speak after her. Deputy Leader, I give you the floor. If that is the case, then the Honorable Chief Whip stood when she was speaking, and the leader there for UDF stood when she was speaking. Then let me give them the space, and then I'll go to the Honorable Minister. Please,
Okay,
in that order, please.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, is it in order that the honorable member from Machinga East should be mentioning names of very, very important people in Malawi? And she also referred to the autopsy or things which happened during the plane crash. Yet, those are private Malawians. These are sensitive issues. And she comes here and talks about them. That is not in order. And our standing orders are very clear. We do not mention people who cannot come in the house to defend themselves. Regardless in what manner you are talking, we are not supposed to. It is very, very clear. And yet the member is mentioning by names people who cannot come to the chamber to speak on the issue she's talking about. She's referring to families, bereaved families, people that are still crying, that are still mourning. Is that in order, Madam Speaker?
Thank you very much, Honorable Deputy Leader. Honorable members, indeed, you see now, she stood on a point of order and everyone is rising. But I'm supposed to rule on that. If I don't, then you ask me, why are you not ruling? Honorable members, let us respect each other in this house. Chilima